Are you tired of thinking that eating healthy is expensive and out of reach? Well, think again. In today's video, we're going to share 5 incredible tips that will help you maintain a nutritious diet while sticking to your budget. Get ready to discover how you can enjoy wholesome meals without breaking the bank. But before we dive into the tips, make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay updated for more videos like this. And now let's jump right in. When it comes to eating healthily on a budget, planning meals around affordable ingredients is a crucial strategy. By doing so, you can maximize your grocery budget and ensure that you have nutritious options at your fingertips. Start by creating a weekly meal plan that incorporates budget-friendly staples such as beans, lentils, whole grains, and seasonal fruits and vegetables. Not only are these ingredients easy on the wallet, but they're also packed with essential nutrients. When planning your meals, consider utilizing versatile ingredients that can be used in multiple recipes. This allows you to make the most of your purchases. For example, a simple bag of brown rice can serve as the base for various dishes like stir-fries, grain bowls, and casseroles. Similarly, a can of beans can be used in salads, soups, and wraps. By incorporating these affordable ingredients in different ways, you can create a diverse and satisfying meal plan without straining your budget. Grocery shopping tips for a budget. Smart grocery shopping is essential when it comes to maintaining a healthy diet on a budget. By adopting a few key strategies, you can stretch your grocery budget and make the most of your money. Here are some tips to help you shop wisely and save. First and foremost, create a shopping list before heading to the store. This simple step can prevent impulse purchases and keep you focused on buying the items you need. Take a few minutes to plan your meals for the week and make a comprehensive list of ingredients. Stick to your list as much as possible to avoid unnecessary expenses. Take advantage of sales, discounts, and coupons. Check weekly flyers and online platforms for deals on items you regularly buy. Look for special promotions and discounts such as buy one get one free offers or discounted prices on bulk purchases. Many grocery stores offer loyalty programs or digital coupons that can further reduce your expenses. Be sure to compare prices between different stores to find the best deals. Consider shopping at local farmers markets or co-ops. These venues often offer fresh produce at lower prices, especially when items are in season. Additionally, shopping at farmers markets allow you to support local farmers and enjoy a wide variety of fruits, vegetables, and other products. Another advantage of shopping at farmers markets is the opportunity to engage with vendors and learn more about the food you're buying. When buying non-perishable items, think about purchasing in bulk. Buying in bulk can save you money in the long run, especially for items like grains, legumes, nuts, and spices. These items often have a longer shelf life, allowing you to stock up without worrying about them spoiling. Just ensure you have adequate storage space at home to accommodate bulk purchases. Opt for cheaper cuts of meat. If you're not following a vegetarian or vegan diet, choosing cheaper cuts of meat can help you stay within your budget. Tougher cuts of meat such as chicken thighs, beef chuck, or pork shoulder tend to be more affordable but can become tender and flavorful when cooked slowly with the right techniques. Consider slow cooking, braising, or marinating these cuts to make them delicious and tender without breaking the bank. Make use of seasonal produce. Seasonal fruits and vegetables are often more affordable and fresher than their out-of-season counterparts. Lastly, don't shy away from store brands or generic products. These alternatives are often more affordable than brand name items, but can be equally nutritious and tasty. Many store brands maintain the same quality standards as their more expensive counterparts. Give them a try and you may find that they are a cost-effective option for your grocery needs. Smart shopping is the key to maintaining a healthy diet on a budget. Batch cooking and meal prepping for savings. Batch cooking and meal prepping are fantastic strategies for saving money while maintaining a healthy diet. By dedicating some time to cook and prepare meals in advance, you can take advantage of cost savings and make the most out of your ingredients. Here's how batch cooking and meal prepping can help you eat healthy on a budget. Firstly, batch cooking allows you to prepare large quantities of food at once, saving you time and energy in the long run. By cooking multiple servings of a particular dish, such as soups, stews, or casseroles, you can store the extra portions in the refrigerator or freezer for later use. This way, you avoid the temptation of ordering takeout or relying on processed convenience foods when you're short on time and energy. Not only does batch cooking save you money, but it also ensures that you have nutritious meals readily available whenever you need them. Meal prepping takes batch cooking a step further by portioning out your prepared meals into individual servings. This method offers additional benefits such as portion control and improved organization. By pre-portioning your meals, you can ensure that you're not overeating or wasting food. It also helps you stay on track with your healthy eating goals. By planning your meals and buying ingredients in larger quantities, you can maximize cost savings and stretch your budget further. Furthermore, batch cooking and meal prepping give you more control over the quality and content of your meals. By cooking at home, you can choose fresh, whole ingredients and avoid expensive processed foods, maximizing the nutritional value of inexpensive foods. When you're on a budget, it's important to make every dollar count, especially in terms of nutrition. Here's how you can do it. Prioritize whole foods. Whole foods are minimally processed and retain their natural nutrients. Add whole grains like oats, brown rice, and whole wheat bread to your meals. They provide essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Instead of purchasing pre-packaged snacks, opt for fresh or frozen fruits and vegetables, which are nutrient-dense and often more affordable. Choose whole, unprocessed cuts of meat or opt for plant-based proteins such as legumes, which offer a wide range of nutrients at a lower cost. Be mindful of cooking methods. The way you prepare your food can impact its nutritional value. Avoid deep frying or cooking with excessive oil, as it adds unnecessary calories. Instead, try methods like steaming, baking, grilling, or sautéing with minimal oil. These methods can help retain the nutrients in your ingredients while enhancing flavors. Enhance flavor with herbs and spices. Inexpensive foods can sometimes be perceived as bland, but you can elevate their taste without adding extra cost. Experiment with herbs and spices to season your dishes. They not only provide flavor, but also additional health benefits. For example, turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties, while garlic and ginger have immune-boosting properties. Using herbs and spices can make your meals more enjoyable while adding a nutritional boost. Don't overlook frozen or canned options. Frozen or canned fruits and vegetables can be just as nutritious. They are often more affordable, have a longer shelf life, and can provide essential nutrients. Look for options without added sugars or sodium. Incorporating these options into your meals allows you to enjoy a variety of nutrients while keeping costs down. Get creative by exploring different recipes and experimenting with ingredient combinations. For example, add vegetables and legumes to bulk up soups, stews, and casseroles. Make use of leftovers and repurpose them into new meals. For example, leftover rotisserie chicken can be used in sandwiches, salads, or added to a pasta dish. Overripe fruits can be used in smoothies, baked goods, or turned into fruit compotes. Being resourceful with leftovers helps you save money and make the most out of your ingredients. By planning your meals and using ingredients in multiple ways, you can maximize their nutritional value and ensure you're getting the most out of your budget. Remember, eating healthy on a budget is all about being mindful of your choices, planning ahead, and making the most of what you have. With these tips and strategies, you can enjoy delicious, nutritious meals without breaking the bank. If you enjoyed this video, go check out tips for healthy grocery shopping, and be sure to subscribe for more videos like this on your healthy lifestyle journey. I'll see you in the next video.